Alright. Who else?
Who is Dirtbag Kai?
Who else? I don't know. We adding to the live, man.
Hey, G, what's up, Mo? This Fat Cat.
Oh,
That's my man from Hunwood.
Oh, yeah? I fuck with the Hunwood. Matter of fact, you need to be on lookout, man. Got him on lookout duty, man. Nah, bro, that's the truth, bro. What you trying to get us back? How the fuck? Why the fuck?
Going to the shoot about this one.
That's my man on this,
man. Why the fuck they ain't add the picture jump?
You probably did it wrong, fool. Hey, that's a nigga Neff from Wellington, right?
Ah, yeah, bro. I've been trying to get some. I've been trying to get some from that. I've been trying to get some of that from the trenches, man, for a while. Slim, that's crazy. Slim, you wanna fuck with me out there? Bro, what the fuck, man? This nigga got a roll. This nigga tipping him.
What the fuck?
I'm telling you.
Are you really block him? You telling me why you sharing under?
I'm telling you.
Fuck wrong with him?
The fuck?
He probably out.
Hold up. Oh, sis trying to hop up on here. Hold up. Okay. I'm saying though, what's up, man? You alright?
Yeah, bro. I miss you like shit, bro.
Miss you too. You know what I'm saying?
I love you, bro. Keep your head up.
I love you too.
No, bro,
you know, I'm keeping my head up, man. I'm keeping my head up like my nose.
Keep your head up. Yeah, I've been talking to you. Yeah, you don't even know, but yeah, I just know you've been keeping your head up. I've been checking on you, soldier.
I am with you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, love for life, bro. Keep your head up.
Love you too. What's up, Neff?
Hey, Neff, what's Ziggy at, Mo?
Bro,
let me see.
Who the fuck is these people, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Man, what? Will you scared ass? Will scared as shit. Y'all ain't trying to join, nigga. Join live.
Join the live, Will. You going hard? Yeah, join the live.
Fuck this shit, boy. I'm about to come over there with
you, boy. Join that live.
Hey, Neff, what's
Pretty real, fat. I said what I said.
I'm coming over there with you.
All right, bro. You know you can come over here, bro. Anytime.
Bro, I told y'all, bro. 824, hit me, Slim. Hit me right now. Hit me right now.
Jay passing up. Y'all know, Tim, we gonna rap.
Oh, Ziggy in the hole. What the fuck?
What the fuck Ziggy do?
Oh, I'm annoyed. I'm about to get off. I'm annoyed.
What the fuck Ziggy do? Ziggy dumb as shit, bro.
Oh, no. Stop what the fuck you doing, sir.
Man, he dumb as shit.
Bitch, I'm about to go up, boy.
Where you at? Oh, yeah, this ain't going up.
Man, that nigga Zig dumb as shit,
these niggas,